Most people train their biceps hard, but their forearms still stay skinny. Weak forearms kill your grip and make every lift feel heavier. Even elbow pain often comes from weak forearm muscles. Today, I'm giving you 5 exercises that will grow your forearms fast. Your forearms are the most visible part of your arm, even when you're wearing a t-shirt. Strong forearms instantly make your arms look thicker. Your grip gets stronger, your lifts improve, and your elbows stay protected. That's why training forearms is mandatory. Your forearms are built from 3 main muscle groups. The brachioradialis gives thickness, the flexors and extensors give stability, and the finger muscles give grip power. We're going to train all 3 in a balanced way. That's how you get fast, noticeable growth. Start with hammer curls because they hit the brachioradialis directly. Keep the form slow and squeeze on every rep. This exercise gives your forearms that round, dense look. Just don't swing the weight or you'll lose most of the tension. Reverse curls are the silent killer of forearm growth. They thicken the top part of your forearms and keep your elbows stable and pain-free. Keep the reps controlled and never bend your wrists upward. That mistake alone can reduce your gains by half. The wrist roller feels brutal, but the results are incredible. Rolling upward grows your extensors. Rolling downward grows your flexors. Keep the motion slow or your shoulders will take over. And once your shoulders take over, your forearms stop working. Grip training is the part everyone ignores, but it gives the fastest results. Grippers, towel holds, and rice bucket work are all perfect options. Slow squeezes with a 2 to 3 second hold work the best. Fast reps do almost nothing. Rice bucket training looks simple, but hits muscles nothing else does. Push your hands in, twist, claw, open, and squeeze in every direction. 2 minutes is enough to create a crazy pump. These deep muscles are usually never trained in the gym. Fat grips work like a shortcut for forearm growth. Making the bar thicker forces your forearms to work harder automatically. Just don't use them on every set, only on your first or last set. Otherwise, your whole workout turns into a forearm workout. Forearms recover super fast, so training them 2 to 4 times a week is perfect. Slow negatives and perfect form give the best growth. Constant tension matters more than heavy weight. By the end of the week, you'll already notice a difference. Always finish your workout with a grip finisher. It can be a fat grip hold, a gripper hold, or a farmer hold. Even 40 to 60 seconds makes a massive difference. This small habit alone can transform your forearms. Strong forearms don't just look good, they improve your entire performance. Your pulling strength increases, your grip stops failing, and your elbows stay pain-free. 4 weeks of consistency is enough to see real changes. Just focus on control, form, and tension.